Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to add admins to your Facebook page. So first, you just have to open your Facebook page. Okay, so you have to click your Facebook page right here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to go to the left side of your Facebook page and you should see this Meta Business Suite. So click this one. And then after that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading. And this is a new page right here. Now, this is what it looks like. This is your Meta Suite. And what you're going to do is you have to go to the left side again and you have to look for settings. So tap settings here. And then this is what it looks like. Now you are under your Facebook page, and as you can see here, under users and accounts, you will see here all the people that you have added and have access to your Facebook page. So if you go to accounts here, then this is the one who has access with your Facebook page. Add accounts if you want to add an account, and then you can go to this business account groups if you want a business asset groups, and then here you can also add your asset groups. However, when it comes to adding admins or adding someone who will have a control to your Facebook page, you just have to go to this users right here. And then let's just say this person, I have added him or her, then I can also tap this manage to remove this person right here and change someone. Okay, so in this area, you can also see add an account. All you have to do is to search that person's name on your Facebook page. You have to make sure that you're also friends on Facebook page. And once you found him or her, all you have to do is to add. So these people right here or these accounts right here are just one of my Facebook page and the other one is my Instagram account. So if you want to delete one of this, then you can go to manage and you can add someone as an admin here on your Facebook page. So you just have to go to this area. You just have to go to settings and then go to users, people. And here you can also give the full access to someone you have added as admin here on your Facebook page. So as you can see, I have assigned Ashanti to have the full control of my Facebook business page. Once done, all you have to do is to click save and that's it. So again, find Meta Business Suite, go to users, and then here you can add or remove admins to your Facebook page. So that's how easy it is to add admins to your Facebook page. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.